everybody. Today we are doing the second part of Reasoning 1, which is a very similar chapter to logical set theory. This is known as logical consistency. In this chapter, you need to establish a logical consistent relationship between the given two events. As we have studied in the class that we have two types of logical consistency. The case 1 is either or. So when you have either or, the statement sounds like this question which is given on the screen. Either Sam is ill or he is drunk. Let us assume that Sam being ill is X and let us assume that Sam being drunk is Y. So either X or Y. Now if I have to answer this, I can answer it in two ways. When X, then not Y. So when Sam is ill, then he is not drunk. Or when Sam is drunk, he is not ill. Which means when Y, then not X. So let me look at the options. When I look at the options, I see that I have one combination, that is Sam is ill and Sam is not drunk, which is AD or DA. Now AD or DA in that matter, both are similar because when X then not Y, right? So when ill then not drunk and hence DA. Looking at the next question, this is a case of case 2. Case 2 is cause and effect. First things first is I need to identify what is the cause and what is the effect. So whenever Ram hears of a tragedy, he loses sleep. Hearing of a tragedy becomes the cause, losing sleep becomes the effect. Let me say the first thing that I have to nullify or negate is he loses sleep, which means I need to negate the effect first. When I negate the effect, the cause automatically gets negated. So he loses sleep would get negated as Ram did not lose sleep. And because he did not lose sleep, he did not hear of a tragedy. Hence my answer here becomes DB. Now remember there is an option given as BD as well. We cannot consider BD to be my answer. Because if I consider BD to be my answer, I will be negating the cause first. And if you negate the cause, there is no logical consistent relationship that gets established. 30th is the case of either or. So either the train is late or it is derailed. Similarly, if the train is late, it is not derailed. So my answer can be AD or DA. If the train is derailed, then it means it is not late. So it can be CB or BC. So my answer is BC, option 4. This is again case 2, cause and effect. So when I read a horror story, I have a nightmare. The cause is reading a horror story. Having a nightmare is the effect. I do not have a nightmare. This is negation of the effect, which means you did not hear a horror story. This is negation of the cause. So CB in that sequence becomes my answer. When I eat berries, I get rashes. The cause is I eat berries. The effect is I get rashes. I did not get rashes. When I say I did not get rashes, it means I did not eat berries. So my answer in that order is BC. Remember again, you can't mark CB. So CB will be negation of the cause first. Either Sita is sick or she is careless. Now again, I have either or. If Sita is sick, she is not careless. If Sita is careless, she is not sick. So if I say Sita is not sick, she is careless, it is AD. So you see that there is a print error, it is AD or DA, which is option number 2 and 4. You can choose any one. So let us choose AD to be our answer. Ram gets a swollen nose whenever he eats a hamburger. Now here, be very careful to identify what is the cause and what is the effect. So whenever he eats hamburgers is the cause, and he getting swollen nose is an effect. So you negate the effect first by saying Ram does not get a swollen nose. If Ram does not get a swollen nose, he does not eat hamburgers. So my answer should have been CB. But I see that CB is not in my answers, which means I can't mark BC. So if you can't negate and give an answer, replicate and give an answer, so your answer will be he eats hamburgers, he gets a swollen nose. So he eats hamburgers is D, he gets a swollen nose is A, so answer is D. Now this is again a tricky question because this involves negation. Either the employees have no confidence in the management or they are hostile by nature. No confidence in the management is X. Remember, no confidence in the management is X. Hostile is Y. If I say no confidence, it becomes double negative, so it becomes confidence. So either they have confidence and they are not hostile. Sorry, either they have confidence and they are hostile, or either they have no confidence and they are not hostile. Confidence and hostile would be AC or CA. I don't have AC or CA, but I definitely have BD. So my answer becomes BD, which means when X, then not Y. So when X, which is no confidence, then not Y, which is not hostile. Whenever Ram reads into the late, his father beats him up. Reading late into the night is the cause, his father beating him up is the effect. His father does not beat Ram, that is A, which means Ram leads early to the morning? No. Since we don't have a negation of the cause, we take the answer as none of the above. Or irresponsible parents shout if their children do not cavort. Cause is children not cavorting. And if they don't cavort, what happens is parents shout. So all irresponsible parents do not shout. When they do not shout, it means children cavort. So my answer is A, B in that order. Last one. The question says the bomb will explode if it strikes the ground. If it strikes the ground is the cause, the bomb will explode is the effect. The bomb did not explode. When I say it did not explode, what does it mean? That it did not strike the ground. So answer is AD in that order. I hope you've understood the concepts of logical consistency along with the questions. Thank you.